Hello and welcome to your East Idaho Weather and Hazard Briefing for Sunday, January 3rd. My name's Alex from the National Weather Service in Pocatello. Well, we've got a lot to talk about for over the next couple of days. 2 rounds of precipitation. One will be today, and we will see a round of heavier precipitation Monday and Monday night into early Tuesday morning. A brief period of freezing rain will be possible both this morning, but especially Monday morning across portions of the eastern Magic Valley, and that'll transition back over to rain as temperatures warm during the afternoon. Speaking of rain, we may briefly see some moderate rain Monday afternoon across the eastern Magic Valley, southern Snake Plain, and valleys across the South Hills, and that rain will be falling on frozen ground. We could see rain mix with the snow as far north as Idaho Falls, so we could also see some rain falling on snow, so that could lead to some ponding of water. Otherwise, we'll see locally heavy snow, especially Monday afternoon and evening, with areas of blowing snow, especially for those areas where it'll be colder, where the precipitation will be falling as all snow. That'll be areas mostly above 6,000 feet elevation. And then Monday evening and overnight, as the cold front moves through the area, we could see some briefly heavy snow, even in the eastern Magic Valley and Snake Plain. It'll be windy as well, as you might imagine, with the blowing snow potential. And snow will be continuing into Monday night and then wind down Tuesday morning. And dry and colder conditions are expected Wednesday, Thursday. Some light snow showers are possible. Taking a look at the satellite picture this morning, we can see our first area of low pressure and the enhanced moisture and precipitation associated with that, as indicated by these greens here. We have a little bit of a break across the eastern Pacific, just off the Oregon and Northern California coast, but our next stronger system here is located in the eastern Pacific. That will be our weather maker for Monday night, and early Tuesday. A lot of colors here on your weather impact summary for today. Let's break it down for you. In the Snake River Plain, we'll see some snow showers this morning. Eastern Magic Valley as well. That could mix in with rain towards the end. We may even see some rain mix in towards the end of the precipitation this morning, as far as north and east as Pocatello. South Hills and Southeast Highlands will see that morning snow. Eastern Highlands will see mainly morning snow. Maybe some of that lingering into this afternoon along the Wyoming border. We'll see some patchy freezing drizzle once again today for these areas as well, especially the higher terrain of Clark and Fremont County. Lost River, Wood River area will see snow this morning. Sawtooth area will see snow for most of the day. It'll be heaviest there. That's why we have that area colored in orange, and we have a winter weather advisory in effect there through 5 p.m. today as well. And finally, we'll see morning snow in the Lemhi County region. Now, tonight we'll see snow redevelop across the Sawtooths. We will see snow redevelop across the Eastern Highlands. And it'll be mostly on the lighter side of the morning, which is fortunate because that's when we have that freezing rain potential across the eastern Magic Valley early Monday morning. Precipitation will be increasing in intensity, though, Monday afternoon. So there'll be briefly heavy snow for areas above 6,000 feet, briefly moderate rain in the eastern Magic Valley, southern Snake Plain. Then we'll see the strong cold front move through Monday evening. That'll result in rain changing over to all snow, maybe some briefly heavy snow, even in the eastern Magic Valley and Snake Plain as well. Not to be outdone, we'll see windy conditions, so we'll see areas of blowing snow, especially in the higher terrain areas, and that'll continue through Monday night and early Tuesday morning. Now, most of this that we have colored here in the moderate on Tuesday, that'll be very early in the day, mostly the pre-dawn hours, but we could see some snow linger into the post-sunrise hours Tuesday morning. Certainly we'll see wind continue through Tuesday, and then it'll gradually ramp down in the evening. Wednesday looks like a pretty benign day, just colder with the area of high pressure briefly building into the area, so bringing dry conditions Wednesday. And then Thursday, some light snow showers possible across all of the area. Now let's take a look at your forecast radar. Once again, the day is missing here from our banner, so we apologize about that. But nonetheless, we will walk you through the forecast radar here as it steps through. And we'll wait for it to go back to the first slide here and that is right now. So this is 7 a.m. this morning. You can see areas in blue where the snow is expected to be ongoing this morning. We will see some rain mixed in this afternoon, especially for the Eastern Magic Valley. But look, by the time we get into the afternoon, most of the snow ends. Coming into this evening and overnight, we will see precipitation redevelop, especially across the Upper Snake Highlands here from Rexburg to Island Park. And then here is that heavier precipitation moving in for Monday afternoon. Areas in green indicating where rain is most likely. Areas in blue indicating where snow is most likely. And you can see just how busy it is even into Tuesday morning. And that's when the snow will be winding down. Let's go through it one more time here again this morning. Snow is expected for all but the Big and Little Lost River areas. And let's go into tonight where we see some light precipitation and then heavier precipitation as we get into Monday afternoon. Here we go, Monday afternoon. This will be briefly heavy. We'll see windy conditions. So we'll see blowing snow in areas where snow is expected. You saw there briefly Monday evening some of the heavier precipitation associated with the cold front. And then finally Tuesday morning, snow will be winding down. How about snow for the rest of the day? This is what we expect for accumulations, generally less than an inch across the Snake River Plain, with generally 1 to 4 inches for the Sawtooths and the Island Park / Eastern Highlands area down towards Palisades. Snowfall on Monday, several inches of snow is expected, particularly in the Sawtooths, the Wood River Valley, and the Island Park area down to Palisades, and we could see some high amounts even higher than this. Now, getting into Monday night and Tuesday, here's a look at the additional snow that's expected. Again, Monday night and Tuesday, so several inches of snow. Really, 6,000 feet and above. Expect 5 to 10 inches of snow with locally higher amounts. Snake River Plain, generally an inch or less, but there will be some uncertainty there, mostly regarding how quickly the rain is able to change over to snow before the precipitation ends Monday night. But certainly some snow accumulation is potential even across the Snake Plain and Eastern Magic Valley with this system. But no doubt about it, the highest snowfall totals will be in the higher terrain areas with this system. High temperatures for today, they'll be sneaking into the 40s across the Eastern Magic Valley and the extreme southern Snake River Plain. High temperatures tomorrow, we will be very similar, but we'll add a couple of degrees to the forecast high temperatures. And with a high temperature of 39 at Idaho Falls, that's why we could see some rain mix in even as far north as Idaho Falls on Monday afternoon. Look at Malad getting into the 40-degree range. Preston 38, so rain could mix in here as well during the afternoon hours. Tuesday, we're colder behind the cold front. These lows would be very early in the morning. I expect most areas would be near or below freezing through the day. And then you're taking a look at your low temperatures for Monday morning. Notice we will see some precipitation and we'll see some warmer air aloft move into the areas. That's why we could see some freezing rain very briefly Monday morning across the Eastern Magic Valley. Tuesday morning behind our system, low temperatures well below freezing for all areas. And Wednesday morning, easily below freezing for all of the area. Wind gusts this afternoon, here's a look at those. Now we are expecting the snow, especially this morning. So these areas here for your mid and upper slopes and at pass level, we'll see some areas of blowing snow. Monday afternoon winds, they're a little more tame, but that won't, but don't get used to that because look what happens Monday night after our cold front. We'll see widespread winds in 30 to 40 mile per hour range with locally higher gusts out of the west and southwest. So that could lead to some areas of blowing snow, especially for those areas that remain all snow through the day Monday. Not to be outdone, Tuesday will remain on the windy side as well. So even though the snow will come to an end Tuesday morning, we'll still see some areas of blowing snow, especially in the higher terrain areas through the day. Wednesday, our winds will calm down, except for the Eastern Magic Valley. Notice they'll switch direction and become more out of the northeast by this time. And finally, wind not an issue for us on Thursday with any light snow that might fall then. So, a very busy period, especially through Tuesday morning. We'll see our 2 rounds of precipitation. One today. We'll see a heavier round of precipitation Monday, especially in the afternoon and overnight Monday night. Brief periods of freezing rain are possible both this morning, but a better chance of that Monday morning for the Eastern Magic Valley. That'll be switching over to rain, though, in the afternoon. So we could see some moderate rainfall in the Eastern Magic Valley, Southern Snake Plain, maybe upwards of a 1/4 inch of rain. That'll be falling on frozen ground, so a ponding of water will be possible due to that. Otherwise, locally heavy snow will be possible. Pretty good chance of locally heavy snow at times, especially above 6,000 feet Monday afternoon and evening. And then, as I mentioned, we could see some briefly heavy snow late Monday evening, even over the Snake Plain and Eastern Magic Valley when the cold front moves through. So a lot to talk about. If you have any questions, comments, or feedback, we welcome those with the phone number, email address you see there as well. You can also find us on social media. Otherwise, please join us again Monday morning. Thank you.